To upload new files and generate new assets on the Arkki platform, click on the green Add button and choose one of the available type of assets like, for example, video. You reach a menu divided into two parts. On the left side, you can upload the file, while on the right side, you have the fields for the metadata. On the left side, drag and drop the desired file or select it from your local machine. On the right side, it is mandatory to fill in the metadata fields with particular attention to those marked with a red star. In fact, without having filled in those fields, it will not be possible to proceed with the saving procedure. In the General tab, you can choose whether to leave the assets in the drafts or private state and therefore not visible to other users, or set it in the published state available in the catalog for other users. Finally, click on the Save and then Save and Continue buttons, and the loading process will start. Once the loading bar reaches 100%, click Continue to end the process. The following page summarizes the asset information. To complete the saving, click Save and then Publish. The new asset will then be visible in the catalog. In some types of media, such as video, the yellow processing label indicates that the proxy generation process is still in progress. The proxy is a low-resolution version of the original video needed for the use of the asset by Arkki users. The same upload procedure can be carried out with the other type of assets such as audio, pictures and illustrations, test documents, or whatever other asset. If you want to proceed with the upload of more than one file at the same time, choose Add and then Multiple Uploads. When using multiple uploads, you must check the type of asset you want to add. In fact, in this case, the files to be uploaded must be of the same type as video, for example. Remember that you can find the type field in the General tab. For the other fields of the tab, the procedure is the same of the single upload. In the left portion of the interface, you can load multiple files at the same time, always by dragging or selecting them from your local disk. The selected files are shown in this portion of the interface, and in case of error, you can delete them pressing the X button. Press the Save button to start the loading process. Please note that with Arkki Web interface, you can upload a group of files if it does not exceed a certain size limit. Normally, this threshold varies between 2 and 8 GB and is set for security reasons. Once the upload bar reaches 100%, click on Continue, and a new asset will be generated and shown in the catalog for each one of the uploaded files.